Hi guys, here is J&M again with the next part of the Unity inventory tutorial, and in this one we will really let the player use an inventory item. The last time we made it possible to identify an item that the player selects from his inventory, and we did this in the item click handler script. I'm going to extend this class now by adding the inventory script as public member to be able to let the inventory script know that an item is going to be used. After that, I go back to the Unity editor and drag the inventory game object to this new public member of the item click handler script. And I hope you remember this, the item click handler script is added to each button of the inventory. Okay, in the script I pretend that the method useItem already exists, and Visual Studio again helps us, telling us that the method doesn't exist but that we could generate it. So let's do this and then directly jump to the generated definition. The method useItem is generated with an exception that it is not implemented. So let's implement it, and we are going to fire an event that I will call item used. It is just like the item added or item removed event. Another class like the player controller could bind an event handler for this event and is notified then when an item of the inventory is used. So I switch here to the player controller script that already has a reference to the inventory script, and now I can bind an event handler here in the start method for the event item added. This is also a nice trick. In Visual Studio, just type plus and equals and then press tab to generate the event handler. In the event handler, we can get the inventory item from the inventory event args. And now let's see what we can do with it. As a first implementation, I want to put the inventory item into the hand of the player. So what we could do is to add another public member of type GameObject to store the bone of the player's hand. Back in the editor, I drag the bone, the hand bone of the right hand, to the hand slot of this new public member. Alright, now to let the player actually use it, we have to set the parent of the inventory item to the hand object. So first I get the game object from the INventoryItem class, so I have to cast it to monoBehavior to be able to get the game object property. Then I activate this game object again, and then let the hand be the parent of the inventory item. Okay, the last thing that I have to do is to set the position of the inventory item to the position of the hand. And now we can test if this already works. I'll let the player collect the gem, then I click to use it and it is added to the hand. Okay, it looks a bit strange for now, but the basic logic is alright. In the next part I will extend this again, and then I have a feature that I can upload to my Patreon and you can get it from there for free. I really hope you find this tutorial and this asset useful, and if you do, then subscribe to my channel. New videos will follow soon. Thanks for watching guys, and see you on J&M.